Alright, give you guys a little rundown on what I did today. Turning this 300-gallon water tote into a turkey/chicken brooder. And I got about 50 turkey eggs in the incubator and 20 some chicken eggs. So they're going to start hatching anytime within this next week. But it's a constant water flow again, like everything else I got. Got the shut-off valve right there, so I can manage the flow through it. So it's just a 2-inch pipe. I cut the top off, left the center in there for a rigid support, but drilled through, and then I got it running out to a 2-inch ball valve. I can adjust the ball valve to get the height of water in there, and then it just drains right down into the garage floor drains. But just give you a little something I can throw in here real quick. It'll run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I haven't put any sawdust or anything set up my light system yet, because I'm going to run this a few days just to make sure it don't overflow or anything, so I ain't getting sawdust all wet. But I just tapped into it right there. But this is the same water line that the garage gets fed through. Gets pumped out of my spring house up here above the garage. But I'll do another video once I get it all set up with the sawdust and the lights and everything set on it. So thanks for watching.